how to fix Gmail not receiving emails. So if you're getting this problem, guys, the fix is usually pretty simple. So unless you have some kind of connection issues, which is, possible, the way to fix this is if you're using from a browser, this service, you can just go to the settings right here, to the settings once again, and then make sure that notifications are on in here. And then if it asks you to restart the browser, just restart. It's pretty easy. And also on the phone, open up your settings, go to apps, find Gmail, and just make sure that all notifications are on. If they're turned off, then you of course won't receive any notifications and emails. And also something that's very important is that you need to go into your phone settings. If you're on the phone, go to sync and enable sync for Gmail. That's very important. If the sync isn't enabled, you won't get updated with new emails in your Gmail app on the phone as well. But in general, if you're on the browser, on PC, they always update, no problem, so you shouldn't have any issues. And also, guys, you might want to clear cache for Gmail. If you're on Android, for example, on iOS, you'll have to reinstall the app. So if you want to do that, you long press app info, and then you go, where do we have it? We have storage, and then you go and clear cache like this. Just press on this button. And also you can clear the storage. This will help. And if it doesn't help, you can just uninstall like this, go back into the Play Store, and in here search for Gmail once again and reinstall it. These are the fixes, guys. Hopefully you enjoy. If this helped you out, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.